Welcome to another ROBOTILL training video. In this video, we'll show you how to perform an offline installation of the ROBOTILL point-of-sale software for the server PC. You should only follow these steps if you're unable to complete a standard ROBOTILL installation, either because the computer does not have an internet connection, or the connection is slow or unstable. On a computer with a good internet connection, it does not need to be the computer you want to install ROBOTILL on. Open your browser and go to robotill.com and click on Download. Download the ROBOTILL setup file. If you already installed the ROBOTILL apps on the PC, you can of course skip this step. Scroll down and then download the SQL Server 2022 offline installer file. Do not click any options to open the downloaded files, as this will immediately run them, and we don't want that. Even if you plan to install on this PC, do not run the SQL Server setup file directly. Doing so will install SQL Server, but without the correct configuration required by ROBOTILL. Again, do not click on the files directly or the option to open them. Instead, go to your Downloads folder. You now have the files needed to do an offline installation. If you want to install on a different PC with no internet connection, you can copy these two files to a memory stick and follow the rest of the instructions on the other PC. You first need to install ROBOTILL. Run the ROBOTILL setup file. If you already installed the ROBOTILL apps, you can again skip this step. Once ROBOTILL is installed, when it opens and it can't find the server, it will start the ROBOTILL database setup wizard. Click on Start Setup, and then select the option to do the main computer installation. This will install SQL Server for us. Select the option to do an offline installation. Browse for the SQL Server setup file that you downloaded previously and select it. The wizard will install SQL Server for us and configure it correctly to work with ROBOTILL. During this stage, the wizard performs several tasks, and this process can take a few minutes. For your convenience, we've trimmed this part of the video, as it mainly involves waiting. That is how easy it is to do an offline installation. The wizard will display your default login credentials that you can change after you logged in. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe so that you won't miss upcoming training videos.